Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the sewing parts. So I'll leave the link below this video so you go and watch the cutting part. So let's get straight to this tutorial. So the first thing first, you need to fold your fabric into 4 because I'm going to be using this crepe as the main fabric and the lining. But if you don't want to use both materials as the lining, it's up to you. You can use another material for the lining, but for me I'm going to be using this for the lining. So that's why I'm cutting 4 pieces, which means 2 for the front parts. That's the CF center front. I'll cut 2 pieces. The both sides I'll cut 2, which makes it 4. So I'm going to be having 2 materials, so because I'm using the crepe for both. So for this side I'm going to be cutting 2 of these also, which will make for the main fabric, and for the lining the other side too I'll cut 2 just like that. So you can see this is the first set, and the second set should be the lining. So I'm just going to be placing it like so, and then take it to the sewing machine and sew. I think I have a video of how to sew a bustier, so it's the same thing. The only difference is this one just have like a long structure upper chest. That's the difference. So as you can see, this is the main fabric and this is the lining. So I'm going to be ironing my Hardstay on it. So you can use a very hard stay, you can use a light stay. Then this lining will be carrying the boning and the bra cup. So I'll be adding a boning to the lining so it will make it rigid and strong, and also this lining will carry the bra up. So I didn't know that it wasn't recording, so sorry guys. So here I was done fixing the Hardstay to it and also fixing my boning. So I have a better video of this. You can watch other video how to sew a bustier. There are videos on my channel, so go watch that video. So this is the boning. I'm just going to place it like so, then take to the sewing machine and sew. So I'm sure you already know how to do all these parts, so this is just a very straightforward and easy tutorial. So I'm just going to take it to the sewing machine and join this bra cup to the lining like so. So this is the boning. I have to first of all straighten the boning with my iron. If not, you'll be having like a curve shape. So the ironing will make it straight. So that's the essence of ironing your boning. So this is it after ironing. You can see how straight it's looking. So I was done doing all that. I didn't know that it wasn't recording. So this is just the front bodies that I've done. So this is the part where I was done doing the sewing and all. So I placed it on the mannequin so we can start making the cording. So this is the material I'm using, velvet. So I advise you use the expensive velvet, which is the original one. Don't use the fake one or the low quality one. It's going to be looking really soft. So if you want it very hard and firm and nice, use the expensive one. So you're going to cut your 1 yard will be enough for this if you are using for the frontal bodies. So just slash it in a horizontal bias form, just the way you cut for your bias. Then you cut this out in a triangular form before you start taking your width. So for my width I'm using 1 inch, so you can use 1.5 if you want it to be big, but 1 inch is okay if you want it to be slim and it will be thick. Remember, you're using the original velvet, which is the thicker one. So I'm just going to cut 1 inch like so. So after cutting, I'll take to the sewing machine, same way you like sew your bias. That's what you're going to be doing here. It's not that hard. The only thing is just the process, because it take a lot of time when you start tacking to the cloth and adding your beads and all, whatever you want to use for your design. In my own case, I use a stone to design it. You can use clawstone, you can use any other expensive stone that you have. The most important thing is to bring out the beauty of the dress. So you're just going to sew it the same way you sew your bias, which is what I'm doing. So I'll sew it like so, then bring it inside out. So I'll be using a nylon thread for this. This is the nylon thread, and you can see the bias I made like 20 pieces, so it will be enough for you to do what you want to do. So this is the process where you just be placing the bias or the material on the crepe or the bodies like so. Then you use a pin to like hold it. you first of all use a pin to secure it. After using the pin to secure it, then use your nylon thread, or you can use your main color, blue or whatever color you are using thread, and then just sew it. Make sure you sew and it's not that obvious. So after sewing, I'm just going to be tacking it like so. I'll tack all the bodies. So after tacking the bodies, I'm going to place my stone. You can use whatever stone you have. The most important thing is to just be creative with your design and let it come alive. So for me, the only available material I have is using these stones. So I'm going to be placing the stone on the edges like so. So after doing that, this is the final look. You can see how it came out, looking so fine. So guys, this video is a very straightforward and straight video, because I have so many videos of how to sew a bustier. The only difference with this is just the structure of our chest. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of this video. Thank you and God bless you. See you guys in the next video. Bye.